If you're using an Apple Watch SE, whether it's the first, second, or even a newer version, you might wonder if it has a built-in keyboard like some of the higher-end Apple Watch models. This question usually comes up when you try to reply to a message and expect to type something out, only to see limited options like voice dictation or quick replies. Apple has designed different input methods depending on the model, which can make things a bit confusing if you're not sure what your watch supports. The key thing to understand is how Apple Watch SE handles text input and what alternatives are available instead of a full keyboard. Once you know the limitations and options, you can still reply quickly and efficiently without any frustration. Try these. Step 1. Open a message or reply screen on your Apple Watch SE. Step 2. Check if a full keyboard appears. Step 3. Use voice dictation to speak your message instead. Step 4. Try Scribble to write letters with your finger on the screen. Step 5. Select from quick replies or emojis for faster responses. Step 6. For full typing, continue the conversation on your iPhone.